This is a bird sanctuary that Mel built, and I think he said 1992.
I think it was about 1992. This is the machine I used to build it. The uh, Birdwatcher Society. They came to me with a piece of cardboard, about that big, with a bunch of squirrely lines, and said, "Can you build us some canals in here for the birds?" So this is what we ended up building them. This is right off the end of the side of the lake, Okanagan Lake. So, hey, we'll show you a little look where people can come and watch red-ringed blackbirds, all kinds of waterfowl.
Hello.
Hi. With all the vegetation, this was just like a swamp in here. Had to use mats for the machines to get around. But when the water's up, these little canals that you can see are full of water. And the ducks come in here, and the geese, and everything else. Now the water's pretty low, so it looks pretty crappy, but when it's up, the water's up here another 2 to 3 feet, and these canals run all through them weeds out in there, the bulrushes, and yeah, the ducks, they nest out there and hatch their little ones, and it's all pretty cool. It's well used. We'll go down here a little further.
Hello.
How are you today?
Good. How about yourself?
Good.
Very set to do parkour and stuff. It'll be fun.
Yeah, it's really not very pretty right now, but lots of times you'll see turtles in here, but the water's low. Of course, it's August, or October, I guess it is. So the water's low, but in the spring, when they're nesting, over in here past the tree, along the edge of the trees, there's little canals over in there. So it was fun to bake this. Put all the material out in the center and built islands for the birds to nest on, and yeah, that's my claim to fame for Kelowna. But I think it was about 30 years ago I did this. Awesome. Hey, it's Redneck Pensioners, Mel here. If you like this, give us a like and subscribe, and you'll notice our videos are kind of raw. We don't edit them for two reasons. Number one, we don't know how. And number two, we don't give a shit. So I hope you enjoyed it. Talk to you next time.
I just want to go across over there. I never knew this was here.
No, we're just doing a video, YouTube. I built this 30 years ago. Yeah, I made all these canals for the birds. It was just a swamp area at that time, and the wild bird sanctuary people came to me and asked me if I could make them canals for the birds. And
You made the walkway?
no, they did this. They did these about 7 or 8 years after this was made. They made rough walkways, but These are nice now.
Can I take a picture with you?
Oh, for sure. Yeah. On the side. Oh,
These are a couple that we met on the walk.
just first time here, so we've
Yeah.
enjoyed it, and yeah, so have a look.
This is one of the sidewalks in a bird sanctuary, and here's Okanagan Lake. And Mel's found some new friends. Just want to go here to the end.
This water for the canal seeps right in off the end of the lake. So when the lake's up, it floods up here a little bit. When the lake's down, well, the birds have a crash landing. Not so pretty. Absolutely gorgeous day.
The water dust to these roots is awesome. Like they're live trees. And they're not falling in. and this is the end of it. And there's the bridge linking West Kelowna to Kelowna. This is awesome. Wish the water was up a little higher, just so we can see the birds and stuff in it. But it is October. Some inconsiderate still threw a beer can in. And there's a couple of them in there.